Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this session, I will show you how to access a Hikvision DVR remotely using a computer. To do this, you need an application called iVMS-4200. Open iVMS-4200. Click on Device Management. Click the plus Add button. If you take your laptop outside of the local network, you normally won't be able to access the DVR directly. Now I'll show you how to connect remotely. Click on Network Settings. Open Platform Access. Locate the verification code and enter it when prompted. If you don't know how to find the verification code, you can enable platform access on the DVR and create or view the verification code there. Once you have the verification code, return to iVMS-4200 and click the plus Add button. Enter your device information, including the serial number or HikConnect account details, then enter the verification code. Click Add. Your Hikvision DVR has now been successfully added to iVMS-4200, and you can access it remotely from your computer. If you want to add additional devices, simply repeat the same process. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion.